US President Donald Trump says he's considering winding down the war in Iran. In a social media post, Mr. Trump said Washington was close to meeting its goals in the conflict. His comments came as Tehran is reported to have fired 2 ballistic missiles at the US-UK military base in Diego Garcia in the Indian Ocean, some 4,000 kilometres away from Iranian territory. Neither missile hit the site.
3 weeks on from the start of this war and the ongoing overnight strikes from Baghdad to Beirut tell the story of just how far this conflict has travelled in that short time. Worries about how much further it could travel have only intensified amid reports that Iran fired 2 ballistic missiles at the joint US-UK military base Diego Garcia in the Indian Ocean, around 3,800 kilometres from Iran. Though the site was not hit, it raises fears that some Iranian missiles have longer range capabilities than previously thought. As the US president said on social media that he was thinking about winding down the war, his partners in this conflict were talking about ramping it up. Israeli Defence Minister Israel Katz saying attacks against Iran would be stepped up significantly in the coming days, warning it would continue to target an Iranian regime the US says has been severely degraded by the last 3 weeks of airstrikes.
Iran has lost significant combat capability over the last 3 weeks. We are taking out thousands of Iranian missiles, advanced attack drones, and all of Iran's navy, which they use to harass international shipping. Their navy is not sailing, their tactical fighters are not flying, and they've lost the ability to launch missiles and drones at the high rates seen at the beginning of the conflict.
With Iran's nuclear program one of the key targets of this war, Tehran accused Israel of attacking the Natanz nuclear enrichment site today, though Israel claimed no knowledge of the incident. No radioactive leaks were discovered, and the International Atomic Energy Agency has been informed. Fiona Mitchell, RTE News.